Now we are discussing about path length. Here we are taking O as an origin. Now if an object is moving to the right side of the O, we are calling the object is having a positive distance because this is moving towards right side. Example, a object started from O and it moved to the point Q along the x-axis. Now it has traveled 240 meters. Now another object called R, it started from O and it moved to the left side. Now we are calling it is minus 120 meters away from O. How it is possible? Can we travel negative meters? Can we travel minus 1 meter, minus 2 meters? Practically, is it possible? No. There is no positive and a negative meters in reality. We never know plus 1 meters and minus 1 meters. But why we are taking a plus and a minus? In order to indicate the direction along the axis, we are indicating the positive and negative. When I say it is plus 240 meters away from O, it is indicating Q is at the right side of O. And when we say R is at minus 120 meters away from O, it is indicating R is at the left side of O. This length is called as path length, and it is the distance. It does not have any direction. That's why we are representing it with plus and minus. So distance is a scalar. Next, we are discussing about displacement. Displacement means the change of the position. The change of the position with respect to the time. If an object started from x1 and it moved to x2, and the initial time is t1 and the final time is t2, and the time taken by the object to move from the x1 to x2 is t2 minus t1. So the distance traveled by the object is delta x is equal to x2 minus x1. This is called as displacement. Displacement is nothing but a delta x, where delta x is equal to x2 minus x1. If the object is moving along the axis and initial point is x1 and final point is x2, then the difference is x2 minus x1. We are indicating it as delta x. This displacement has both direction and magnitude. Because we are giving the direction and magnitude, it is called as vector. Regarding the vector and scalar informations, we will study in the next chapter. Now, because the object is moving along the straight line, it is also called as rectilinear motion.